Welcome back to my channel. From today I am going to discuss 12th and 11th class maths chapter wise in detail. 12th class maths, quadratic expression. Quadratic expression, definition of quadratic expression: a polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c are real and complex numbers and a not equal to 0. Okay, for suppose a is equal to 0, this is linear equation, but 0 into x square 0, this is totally 0, first term totally 0, bx plus c, this is linear expression. So compulsory here a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic expression in the variable x. Ax square plus bx plus c is called the standard form of the quadratic expression. In this expression, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is a constant term. The first term ax square and second term bx are called quadratic term and linear term respectively. Now example of quadratic expression: 2x square plus 5x plus 7 and 3x square minus of I plus 2 into x minus 5 are called quadratic expression. In these two expressions, coefficient of x square is not equal to 0. Here 0 into x square plus 2x plus 3 is not quadratic expression. Okay, which is quadratic, which is linear expression. Why? Because coefficient of x square is 0. 2x plus 3 is linear expression, not quadratic expression. Definition of quadratic equation: any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real or complex numbers and coefficient of x square a not equal to 0, is called a quadratic equation in the variable x. The numbers a comma b comma c are called the coefficients of this equation. Coefficients of this equation. Example 1. Example 1 is x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in variable x. Okay. Now second equation, 5x square minus 8x equal to 2x plus 4, which is also quadratic equation. Solving this equation, plus 2x taking this side minus 2x plus 4 also taking LHS side minus 4 equal to 0. This can be written as 5x square minus 10x minus 4 equal to 0, which is quadratic equation. Now third example, 2x cube plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 is not a quadratic equation. Why? Because coefficient of x square term is not there. Here degree of this equation is 3. This is cubic equation, not quadratic equation. Now fourth example, 0 into x square plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0 is not quadratic equation because coefficient of x square equal to 0. It is linear equation. 2x plus 5 is linear equation. Now fifth example, ax square plus c equal to z is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where a not equal to 0. So which is ax square plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Definition of the roots of the quadratic equation: a complex number alpha is said to be a root or solution of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Alpha is substituted in this equation, you can get a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Note point: the zeros of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c are the same as the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Theorem: the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here two roots is there, minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, proof. Alpha is a root of the quadratic equation, root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha is substituted in this equation, that by implies a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Okay, multiplying with 4a on both sides, 4a into a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals 0 into 4a 0, by implies 4a square alpha square plus 4ab alpha plus 4ac is equal to 0. In this equation, adding and subtracting b square, LHS side only. Okay, 4a square alpha square plus 4ab alpha plus b square minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. This can be written as 2a alpha whole square plus 2a alpha into b plus b square is equal, minus b square taking RHS side plus b square plus 4ac taking this side minus 4ac, which by implies a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means 2a alpha, b means b only. A square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac, which implies this side square cancel, this side having root before plus or minus. 2a alpha plus b is equal to plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. That by implies 2a alpha is equal to plus b taking RHS side minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4a, which implies 4ac. Okay, 2a also taking RHS side, alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, here two roots is came. One root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, minus b is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now completed. Now one example. Find the roots of the equation x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Solution. On comparing the given equation, x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, where we have coefficient of x square is 1, that means a is equal to 1, coefficient of x is minus 7, b is equal to minus 7, constant term c is equal to 12. That formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. ABC value substitute in this equation, you can get roots, that is equal to minus of minus 7 plus or minus root over minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 12 by 2 into 1, 7 plus or minus root over 49 minus 48, 12 fours are 48 by 2, 7 plus or minus root over 1 by 2. X is equal to 7, root over 1 means 1, 7 plus or minus 1 by 2. X is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2, x is equal to 7 minus 1 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. here 6 by 2, that is 3. Given equation roots are, therefore given equation roots are 4 and 3. That's enough. Now another definition, discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, as well as the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and is denoted by the symbol delta. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, and the discriminant means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Definition. Okay, let alpha comma beta be the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers. Now case 1, delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0 means discriminant value is 0. Okay, by implies alpha is equal to beta. Roots are equal here. Okay, a, that is equal to minus b by 2a. A repeated root or double root of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Delta equal to 0. Delta value is 0. Roots are equal. Alpha is equal to beta. Now case 2, delta greater than 0 by implies alpha and beta are real and distinct. Okay, delta greater than 0 means any positive value. Okay, next case 3, delta less than 0 by implies alpha comma beta are non-real complex numbers conjugate to each other. Delta less than 0 means negative values, all negative values. Okay, delta value you can get all negative values. Note point, let a comma b comma c be rational numbers. Alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then now number 1, alpha comma beta are equal rational numbers if delta equal to 0. Okay, number 2, alpha comma beta are distinct rational numbers if delta is the square of a non-zero rational number. Square means 2 square, 4, 3 square, 5 square. 2 square means 4, 9. You can get delta value 4, 9, 16, 24, 25. You can get any value. That is the perfect square. Okay, that equation roots are distinct rational numbers. Okay, that is the nature of that equation. Okay, now third one, alpha comma beta are conjugative surds if delta greater than 0 and delta is not the square of rational numbers. Okay, these all are nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, now one example. Now example, find the nature of the roots of the equation 2x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0 without finding roots. Solution. Given equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have a is equal to 2. Coefficient of x square is a here. Here coefficient of x square is 2. A is equal to 2. Similarly, b is equal to 6 minus 6. C constant term c is equal to 7. Discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. ABC value substitute in this formula. Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 7. 36. 8 7s are 56. That is equal to minus 20, less than 0. Okay, therefore given equation roots are non-real complex numbers. Okay, therefore given equation roots are non-real complex numbers conjugate to each other, That's enough. Relation between coefficients and roots of a quadratic equation. Now first one, let alpha comma beta be the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then any quadratic equation having two roots, that are alpha comma beta. This equation roots are alpha is equal to minus b plus root of alpha is then alpha is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Beta is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here LCM is 2a minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac plus into minus minus plus into minus minus root over b square minus 4ac. These two terms cancel. Minus b minus 2b by 2a. 2 cancel. Sum of roots is minus b by a. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, in numerator terms a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, minus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square root over b square minus 4ac whole square by 2a into 2a 4a square. Minus b whole square is b square minus root square can be cancelled, minus into plus minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square. These two terms can be cancelled. 4ac by 4a square. 4a for one time cancel is c by a. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Sum of roots is minus b by a. That means coefficient of x square, coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Here constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay, first one will be complete. Here a not equal to 0. 1 alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus of sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Sum of roots means alpha plus beta. Product of roots is alpha into beta. That's enough. It will be continue in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.